You can't run your business if you don't know what's going on. We were struggling with the process that we had in place, so there was multiple parts of our business that we were able to improve, and there was a windfall of new services added. But let me tell you something, our profit margin shot through the roof. We've been able to grow almost 20x. The reason why our company has been so successful and there's been accelerated growth that's smart, it's planned, it's predictable, is because of our relationship with Jay and ServiceTrade. Not only did it benefit our customers, right? That's the first and foremost. They're getting a better experience. We're able to charge more. We're a for-profit. I want to create value. And then that allows me to do what I want to do, which is be around people and sell. I freaking love selling. But after that, I got a dog. I got a girlfriend. We like to spend time in the mountains and run and train, and we do these big races. That 100-mile race that I did and I finished, Jay's ability to build the relationship with me and for us to push that down to our team, I would not be able to do that. And man, I just thank you.